morning children. Today we will continue the chapter 8 common factors and common multiples. Today we will see exercise 8.4 factorization by division method. So today we will see two methods. Number one is factorization by division method and number two is factor tree method. So first is factorization by division method. Question is 28. So first we will write this 28. Now we will see it is even number. So earlier we have studied in divisibility. If it is even number, then it is divisible by 2. So we will divide it by 2. When we will divide this 28 by 2, 2 1 ja 2, then 2 4 ja 8. Understood? So this 14 is a quotient. This quotient will come here. Okay, you will write this quotient here. Now again 14 is even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 7 ja 14. Now 7 is a prime number. 7 will go by 7. So we can write 7 1 ja 7. So its factorization of 28 is of 28 is equal to 2 times 2. You will write in multiplication sign and write this number 2 into 2 into 7. 2 2 ja 4, 4 7 ja 28. When you will multiply this number, you will get again 28. So 2 into 2 into 7 is the factorization of 28. Understood? Now next we will see number 2. Suppose question is 30. Okay. I am taking example. Suppose it is 30. Factorization of 30 by division method. Now again 30. Ones place number is 0. So it is even number. So it is divisible by 2. Smallest prime number is 2. So we will take by 2. When you will divide this 30 by 2. 2 1 ja 2. 1 0. 2 5 ja 10. So 15. This quotient you will write here. Again it is not divisible by 2. So we will take next number. Next prime number is 3. When you will divide this 15 by 3. 3 5 ja 15. Which quotient you will get, you will write it down. Understood? So now 5 1 ja 5. Understood? So factorization of 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. No need to write this 1. Understood? When you will multiply, you will get it back. 2 3 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30. Understood? So it is a factorization method. Now next we will see factorization by factor tree method. Number 2 method is factorization by factor tree method. It is your number 2 method. Okay, in this factor tree method, question is that 48. Suppose question is 48. First you will write this number 48. Okay. Now it is even number. So smallest prime number is 2. You will divide it by 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 4 ja 8. So what you are getting? 24. So this number you will write 2 here and then 24. Okay. It is already prime number, but it is composite number. So again we will factor it. We will take factor. When you will divide it 24, we will find the factor of 21. 24. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. So 12. So 2 into 12. We will get 24. Now again it is factorize 12. 2 6 ja 12. So here 2 and 6. When you will factorize this 6, we will write 2 into 3. Understood? So what is the factorization of 48 is? Factorization of 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That means 4 times 2 into 3. Now check it once again. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 48. Understood? After factorization, you will multiply and check all this number will come or not. So it is a factor tree method. Now one more question again we will see. Now next question is question number 2, that is 36. First you will write this 36. Now the smallest prime number is 2. So you will divide this 36 by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. So 18. 2 into 18. That 2 into 18 we will get 36. Now it is prime factor. So next is 18 is composite number. So again you will find their prime factor. When you will divide it by 2, 2 9 ja 18. So what will come? 2 into 9. 2 9 ja 18. Next again 9 is a composite number. So we will write 3 into 3. 3 3 ja 9. Now we will get the prime number. So we will stop. After getting the prime number we will stop. Now the prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This is the answer. You want to check 2 to the 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. So this is the prime factorization of 36. Understood? So two method we have learned. Factorization method. Number 1 is division method and number 2 is factor tree method. Now let us start exercise 8.4, that is question number 1. Question number 1 is find the prime factorization of 60 by division method and factor tree method. Question is given that 60. First we will use division method. So we will divide it. Smallest prime number is 2. So we will divide it by 2. 60. 2 3 ja 6. Then 0 0 ja 0. So 30 will come in the quotient. Next again it is even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. Now 15. 15 is odd number, so it is divisible by 3. 3 5 ja 15. Then 5 1 ja 5. Now prime factorization of 60 is, this number you will write in multiplication form, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. This is the answer. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60. You will get, after multiplying you will get 60 as the answer. Understood? Now this question we have to do, it was the division method. It was the division method. Now we will see the factor tree method. Factor tree method. 60. So first is 2. Okay. Here 30 will come. 30 is composite number. So again we will find the factor 2 into 15. Then 15 is composite number. So again 3 into 5. So what is the prime factor of factorization of 60 is, this number you will write 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. That is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. This is the answer. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60. So we have completed question number 1. Now next we will see, that is question number 2. In question number 2, find the prime factor of the following numbers using division method. It is again division method. Now 18 is given. 18. When you will divide it by 2, it is the smallest prime number, 2 is the smallest prime number. When you will divide it 18 by 2, 2 9 ja 18. Now 9 is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Next number is 3. So when you will divide it by 3, 3 3 ja 9. Then again you can take 3 1 ja 3. Now factorization of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3. We are not adding 1 because when you multiply it 1 any number, that number will get itself. 2 3 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18. This is the answer. Understood? Number 2 question is 36. 36. 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. When you will divide it, 18 you will get. Then again 2, 2 9 ja 18. Now 9 is divisible by 3, 3 3 ja 9. Then 3 1 ja 3. So factorization of prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This is the answer. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. So same thing you will try to do in question number 3 to 8. Many question we did as a division method. It was the division method. It was the division method. That was question number 2. Okay, you will try to do 3 to 8. It is your homework. Now next question we will see. Prime factor method. 2 question we will solve. That is factor tree method. Factor tree method. It is your question number 3. 2 question we will solve. That is number 1 is 36 and number 2 is 40. Here 36. Like this you will make when you will take 2. When you will divide this 36 by 2, you will get 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. So what we are getting? 2 into 18. That is 18. Now 18 is composite number. So again you will factorize it. 2 9 ja 18. Then this 9 will be 3 into 3. 3 3 ja 9. So factorization of prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This is the answer. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. Understood? Now again it is factor tree method. You will write 40. You will divide it by 2. When you will divide this 40 by 2, you will get 20. But 2 into 20 is 40. Now 20 is composite number. So you will write 2 into 10. 10 is again composite number. So 2 5 ja 10. Now both 2 and 5 is a prime number. Understood? So we will stop. Now we will write prime factorization of 40 is, this number you will write in with multiplication sign. 3 times 2 into 5. You can check your answer. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40. So 2 method we have learned. That is division method and factor tree method. You will try to do. It is your homework. That is question number 3 to 8. Thank you.